Science, technology, and society have existed 4,000 years ago and evolved over time, leaving a historical impact on humanity. This evolution involves early scientific discoveries, the use of primitive technology, and the way societies organize themselves. Today, we explore the historical essence of science, technology, and society, tracing inventions, innovations, and their influence of human life. Before we proceed, this is our learning objective.
During the ancient age, early civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, China, and Rome developed the first forms of science and technology. By observing nature, they created basic astronomy, mathematics, and early medical practices. They also invented important tools like wheel, metal instruments, irrigation systems, and writing. These innovations improved farming, supported organized leadership, expanded trade, and strengthened communities. Through these contributions, science and technology became essential in shaping the growth of early societies.
These early discoveries in the ancient age greatly advanced society by giving people more effective ways to manage daily life. As civilizations learned to observe nature, develop simple tools, and create early technologies such as the wheel, irrigation systems, metal tools, and writing, they improved farming, transportations, and communication. These changes allowed communities to produce more food, keep accurate records, and connect with one another more efficiently. As these abilities grew, people were able to organize larger groups, cooperate in solving problems, and support expanding populations. Over time, these developments strengthened societies and provided the essential foundation that allowed future scientific and technological progress to emerge.
During the medieval ages, science and technology slowly advanced as people searched for better ways to live and work. Important inventions like compass, mechanical clocks, and windmills helped improve travel, timekeeping, and farming. Scholars in the Islamic world preserved ancient knowledge and made new discoveries in math, medicine, and astronomy. In Europe, universities began to grow and the invention of the printing press made learning more accessible. These developments helped societies become stronger and set the foundation for future scientific and progress.
During the medieval or Middle Ages, science and technology developed slowly but played an important role in shaping society. Even though the period is often seen as dark, many inventions and discoveries actually helped improve daily life, agriculture, economy, and culture. The medieval era saw steady technological evolutions in farming, engineering, weapons, communications, and learning. These advances transformed society by increasing food supply, improving education, strengthening nations, and setting the stage for the modern scientific world.
In the modern ages, science grew very fast because many new discoveries were made. Scientists learned more about energy, space, medicine, and the human body. Their discoveries help explain how the world works and improve people's health through vaccine and very medical care. Technology also improved quickly during this time. Important inventions like electricity, the telephones, cars, airplanes, and machines and factories changed how people live. These technologies made communication faster, transportation easier, and work more efficient. Society? Society changed because of the new science and technology. People began moving to cities to work and factories and office. Life became more modern as home used electricity, people traveled more easily, and information spread quickly through radio and other devices.
In the modern age, science and technology changed society by making life faster, easier, and healthier. New scientific discoveries improve medicine and help us understand the world better. Technology brought electricity, cars, phones, and medicine that made communication quick and work more efficient. Because of these changes, people moved to cities, used modern tools at home, and shared information more easily. Science and technology helped society grow and became more connected.
Science, technology, and society progress really shaped the world we have right now. From the ancient age, introduced tools like the wheel, irrigation, writing, and mathematics, forming an organized society and early scientific thought, up to the medieval age, which preserved and built on this knowledge with universities, printing press to promote learning and idea sharing.
up to the modern age we have right now, which brought the rapid advancement through the scientific and industrial revolutions, leading to the major innovations like machinery, electricity, computers, and the digital technology. Together, this era laid the foundation, preserved knowledge, and the accelerated progress, resulting in the technologically advanced society we have today.